x plus 5 in brackets squared. It's a 2-mark answer. 2 marks. Can be calculator or non-calculator. Caveat calculator doesn't really help you. So foundation and higher, need to know this. So it's suitable for everyone. 2 marks. Expand and simplify x plus 5 in brackets squared. Let's have a look at the chat then. So what people are going for. So Lewis has gone for D. Thank you very much for sharing. Alfredo has gone for D also. So thank you very much for sharing. Give you a couple more seconds. So thank you very much. Charlie's gone for D. Potato's gone for D also. So most people are going for B or D. So that's the most common. Give you a couple more seconds. It's not a race. So 2 marks. Normally we say in mathematics a mark a minute, but some questions you can solve a lot quicker. If it's a 1-mark answer, it's a write down. If it's more than 1 mark, you definitely need to be showing you're working. So first of all, the common misconception, a lot of people, if they see something in brackets, the power 2, they think we'll just square the first term and get x squared, and then square the second term, well 5 squared, 5 times 5 gives us 25. That's the common misconception, so that's not actually correct. So if you went for B, B is actually the common misconception. If you see something in brackets, it's the power 2. Something in brackets, i.e. power 2 means squared. Squared means you write this bracket out twice. So this time I'm going to write x plus 5 multiplied by x plus 5. So you see something in brackets, raise to the power 2, something in brackets squared. First step is to write this bracket out twice. We can now see we're expanding double brackets. Well, expand has an x in it, which reminds us to multiply out. If you see double brackets, some students like to write the word foil. You don't need to write the word foil. It's entirely up to you. Some of you call it eyebrows, crab claw, lobster claw, etc. If you write foil, F stands for first. We multiply the first term in each bracket together. Well, x times x, laws of indices, that gives us x squared. O stands for outside or outer. We multiply the 2 outside terms together. In this case, x times positive 5, that will give us positive 5x. I stands for inside or inner. We multiply the 2 inside terms together. Well, positive 5 times x, that will give us another positive plus 5x. And L stands for last. We multiply the last term in each bracket together. Well, 5 times 5 times 5 gives us 25. So that's what makes up the word foil. First, outside, inside, and last. Or you can call it lobster claw, eyebrow, smiley face, whatever you prefer. That's my expanding done. That gets me 1 mark. I now come to simplify. Well, simplify means to collect like terms. And like terms have the same combination of letters, including powers. So looking at my letters, here I've got x squared. I've got no other term ending in x squared, so I have to write that down. I've got 5x plus another 5x. They're like terms as they both end in single x. They're like terms as they both end in single x. Therefore, I add or subtract the numbers in front. Well, 5 plus another 5, that will simplify to give us 10 lots of x. It's not 10x squared, it's just 10 lots of letter x. And I've still got plus 25 that I must place on the end. So therefore, my final answer are those 3 terms in the order, which this case corresponds to D, which is x squared plus 10x plus 25. And that's 2 more marks in the bank. So let's know in the chat, does that make sense or not? If it's cubed, you write this out 3 times. So GCSEs are over if you're in year 11, but obviously GCSEs are beginning for those. It's the start. Year 10's going into year 11. They're doing their mocks. So it's like everything as teachers, we move on to the next year group. So if you finished your GCSEs, absolutely well done. Congratulations. Hope you had a fantastic time. Hope you're enjoying your summer. Enjoy your prom if it's not already taken place. Yep, so perfect. So our next question that was expand and